In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real estate leads using Google Ads. This platform is a powerful tool for reaching potential clients and boosting your real estate business through targeted online advertising. Let's dive in and explore this step-by-step process together. To get started, head over to Google Ads website. If you're new to Google Ads, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on this button and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there's an option to create a new one, which is a simple process that Google will guide you through. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. From this homepage, you'll want to find the Campaigns tab, which is prominently displayed on the left-hand side. Clicking on the Campaigns tab will bring you to a new page where you'll see an option to create a campaign. Select this option to start setting up your new advertising campaign. Next, you'll be presented with several goals for your campaign, but since we want to generate leads for real estate, select Sales. This choice is targeted towards businesses aiming to drive conversions and leads, making it ideal for real estate purposes. Once you select Sales, go ahead and click on Continue to proceed to the next stage. Now, you'll need to choose a campaign type. Here, click on the new and innovative Performance Max option. Performance Max campaigns allow you to access your entire Google Ads inventory from a single campaign, optimizing across all of Google's channels like YouTube, Display, Search, Discover, and even Gmail. It's designed to maximize performance based on your specific conversion goals, which is incredibly beneficial for real estate professionals looking to reach a broader audience. Once you have selected Performance Max, follow the on-screen instructions to customize your campaign further. You'll need to define your target audience, set your budget, and create compelling ad content. This is where you can get creative with your ads, ensuring they are relevant, engaging, and tailored specifically to the real estate market. Use clear images and compelling text focused on the unique value your real estate service offers. Now take a moment to review all of your campaign settings. Make sure everything is accurate and reflects your campaign objectives. When you're satisfied, finalize your campaign by clicking Publish. Google Ads will begin running your ads based on the parameters you've set, and you can monitor their progress through the dashboard. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Google Ads campaign to generate real estate leads. By following these steps, you can reach potential clients more effectively and grow your real estate business. Remember to keep an eye on the performance reports provided by Google Ads to refine and improve your campaigns over time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you achieve great success in your real estate endeavors.